Hello, kids. Let's relearn beautiful butterflies' names. This butterfly name is blue morph. The blue morpho is among the largest butterflies in the world, with wings spanning from 5 to 8 inches. Kids, this butterfly name is buckeye. Common buckeyes have a wingspan of 1.7 to 2.5 inches long, with females being larger than males. Both sexes have predominantly brown wings, with the forewings having 2 orange bars on top and white bands towards the tips. This small yellow butterfly name is Coleus croceus. This strong flying and mainly immigrant butterfly always settles with its wings closed, and so the dark borders on the upper sides of the wings are only visible when in flight. This butterfly name is monarch butterfly. Monarchs are large, beautifully colored butterflies that are easy to recognize by their striking orange, black, and white markings. This butterfly name is Old World Swallowtail. The Old World Swallowtail is a butterfly of the family Papilionidae. The butterfly is also known as the common yellow swallowtail. This beautiful butterfly name is peacock pansy. The peacock pansy butterfly, scientifically known as Junonia almana, is a species of nymphalid butterfly found in South Asia. This orange color butterfly name is silver-washed. The silver-washed fritillary is a large orange butterfly known for the silver streaks on the underside of its wings. This butterfly name is tiger swallowtail. The eastern tiger swallowtail, Papilio glaucus, is probably the most polyphagous of all 560-plus species of swallowtail butterflies in the world. This butterfly name is Vindula erota. The Vindula erota, commonly known as the common cruiser, is a captivating butterfly species found in the lush forests of South and Southeast Asia. It's known for its striking wing patterns and vibrant colors. And the last butterfly name is zebra butterfly. The zebra butterfly, also known as the zebra longwing, Heliconius carathonia, is a distinctive butterfly known for its black and yellow striped wings.